After installing our outdoor camera motion, it's time to test it. So we're gonna arm it. So we have an audio confirmation that the system is armed by the siren, right? And if we go to notifications, we can see that it was armed by us. So bypassing in front of the camera, we had the LED going on, the siren goes off, and we get a notification on our phone as our customer gets it the same way. And the picture will start dropping off pretty soon. Here we go. We have our first one. And just from here, we can confirm if it's a real situation that needs to be dispatched or it's just a random situation.